Abusua se wahwe channel we yacha, you know say I'm a very simple guy. Asem bi balance enkoyi anu ye ka ho asem. Anything. Kofi Adoma nwanwani, mine ne yade bia. Onye boy ko bi so ye mine. Odi ni birthday encheye. Mine ne yade bia abusua ese ye hwe ne ye ka ho asem. What ase? Anything. Na abusua Kofi tese anytime bia no fo asem bia kwaso ogan na bia Kofi Adoma wo ho. Enye sa. My start na man history ne. So we bia woni ma. Kofi Adoma chechire girl ya ode ne ndi kura na de sen. Ko ni sidi ho ma ne wuro pieto. Nya pieto na Kofi Adoma attention wo so. Na Kofi Adoma attention e wo no fo no so. Zandi Camel asem na making abusua.
Manya botre sa ne mabenya wo mesrawu meni ma ase. Me pa cho. Me pa. Meni be sem we mia me ho be kire me pa. Mentimi fasa de enkoda.
No, I want to see if it is natural.
It is natural. So we oh so we na we mami wow
oh but any bad
no there be for shame say train mami nchiro
there
oh jai
I'm here comments.
How's that show? Let me gyro now, you know. How's that show? Let's
And the interview.
Kofi chimi me adi fili ye. One frame. Now, what videos we are? This is kind of at this point they say this about series about Kofi Adoma nwanwani. Abusua twetwe no fo ya suso miamia pcha ade ne nyina na ya adwim ne kase pieto na okko ho a oka ho asem but later me translate ade ne ko English na mu say na Kofi Adoma has a different agenda what you say he no twetwe no fo ya na Kofi fili ye na ko obi a wote Ghana ye interviews Kofi ka de no fo obi a ofiri brekum Kofi ka wo de ene no fo ho abusua anso wa and a Kofi graduate in sensem no. They call the nonsense degree Kofi Adoma. Ye oh goodness God. Kofi say opeso ye swimming lessons. What I say. When you nipa bia wo Ghana, ama na nkyere no. Se Safia Harun abusia. Girl ya de nofo abo apeso, ne nofo buafu ene guso. What I say. Or no, and a Kofi Adoma who knows. Do you know what I need from you? Say we know about me swimming lessons with the big boobies. Abusua. And a girl it's here. After the do baby now any video about this. Who take Kofi Adoma sin no see who me won so no na.
I'll be right back.
Na go bi ofri brekum dia wo dia ni nsu dware
Okay. And that say na there. Okay. You see that you so you can know now.
Okay.
You can say. Now okay.
Ye nyina ye nim so free biye na se praying uti pray na ye nim se praying ti e Kofi wa start se o yes our lessons we ye ni nim ni so to pray na se pray ni ba be bo ho se kim na beto nsu ma we are dead already o ti ase nti na ne rest in peace in future terms to ourselves o ti ase na Kofi Adoma wa hunyansa say okay ni mi hia abusha this is kind of a rant video because Kofi Adoma no ye na say hwe ne ka ho asem because ba bi e kan ko na no edin ye bedru the final bit 3 I can video ye wasem ba ma me step by step no na Kofi Adoma ne girl ko da nsuom na Kofi miambia girl yi ohu video na no wani age na wakoma akora ba
Can you say?
It's like taking one tap. Baby, I don't yes. No, no, you should know. What a rigid.
Kofi miami again am again na feel. Get ne boa. Wonu so na ye ne de. Get ne boa. What you say? Kofi Adoma twetwe no fuo e wo nsuo num. Now we say come na nsuo na se no bibibia a kind of ripple effect into say dey see a try top down but down and down yeah what technical eyes in the system head no abuja we know say Kofi Adoma was squishing something. What I say that is called motivation of life. Yeah, anything Yankopon born no for so nima that is motivation of life for men. Yeah, me man de nyahu ye momo sha den wa blabom abusuya ana Kofi miami ade yankasa ana ave de mbiem ni what I study trend na it's all about nufuo ana Kofi Adoma kokko sha girl bi a efre no Pamela Odame Watara. The whole Ghana before say you better the next stage, you know. No, na enim say the nofu. It is a nofu buafu. With a hundred and nofu in the buafu straight. Nofu no ba kon susu a chese abusuya. Se ka si yegu a Ghana ni po didi pa na imagine say wakoto abiti. Abiti timi ya nofu a. Nko no de ne face the world. Who's abiti odin bebre graduation. Nofu ka se pa. Na Kofi Adoma kofa Kelly say me ni interview. Get in you on one as you trap from Kakra. Pamela Osha Minimatem. I'm just using you as what I say. Girlie, Kofi Adoma free girlie, and a Kofi Adoma share no free interview room, sir.
Me, Mom, Monshana. What's it? Me.
Hey.
Me, you. Me, you.
Ah, sana you know.
What's it?
Uyi fasro.
Half a day no sefa. Sefa kura I think after that interview na sefa sending message the friends wo de Kofi. Mo fu Kofi Adoma te ho a o miamia. Eh. Oh hwehwe. Kofi hwe no fu ye no fili. Na ko bi afri brekum. That is asem na me mente say no. Be a boy what dey no for. Oh. My goodness, anso hwa. End up get bi ba so. Or sudden no for Bessaye, or so the Patricia. Kelly was so no for another amount for you confused here and there. Man for you confused totally. On I'm never be a Kofi Adoma say, do you know what I need in life? I say me interviews again. Get now needing the Patricia, Queen Patricia on Instagram, I think. My interview no na me chere say no for now one I saw many wabrabum and I Kofi kwache girl kwa tena ho and I Kofi interview the hell out of this lady because of the entia no for
Pamela de na me name say what to know say I'll have to weigh and see. Do you get that comparison? Say, oh, they are not so chain way, they are not so. Do you
That's
get that?
what they do every day.
Ah, but me can I come shimbi? I'll see. Oh, so time as so so they will breast and a veggie there. Oh, to brace your bread.
Bro.
To near be
Me, everyone me cautious.
I have about 1 and 2.
One. Yeah.
It me some. Empty. No, say one.
Very empty.
Huh? Message no for is a confusion machine designated and designed by Jesus Christ and a God. So I'm for confusing me man. And I Kofi just say, what's your question? Line of question and I Kofi de market now. Kofi benya kura na kaka na wro ho na go who no for in full nature of the scope and the something. And again any no for no. And in Kofi kura say interview no I don't think say the favorite interview. Hey. Look for na over fans am. Afia shade. Da bi Kofi Adoma say me kan wa. Ebuson on is say akwakofa ba. Kofi Adoma I'm a fear bahasisi, which means it's a terrible day for me today. After video, news about some heading. Go look at my way. And here, what you say? And I could frequent Patricia or interview no, and I could petition a kind of Becanina, Kofi Adoma not his favorite interview. Do you know why? What? Get a buy, all right, now who know other platforms again, no for no, a butching cook, a drums and a brass band, a butching kunim, and I near Kofi. Oh, Kofi shot the na again na cover swingina no confuse Kofi no confuse. Do you know what I need in life? Not this nonsense. I am off from this interview. And a Kofi J interview here. Abujam, I'm giving you step by step of Kofi Adoma sense and then it moved forward. Or being what small Kofi Adoma will we say. Kofi, do you know what Ghanaians need? Do you know what Ghanaians? Yeah. Do you know what Ghanaians need? nipa ne no for so pa e wo the whole Ghana.
Ye besua swimming. Me swimming teacher so be o tene one corner. Wasi Kofi nsuo we dia meto mo na light ache me because breast ye me no ato nsuo won say nsuo nanimu I said level no 6 feet ho no check here. As a level no abasoro kakra chen the normal level no meaning say ship be a since
That lady I don't know the name, but watch a video I know said that people watching the video they know say get the whole Ghana busuanophobia ma. Kofi kofa girl he just say or fa girl no kran so na fa nkotre konwa mu. E na Kofi say ade ni ko hye nsuom na the bad thinking, bad mind of Kofi Adoma say. Kofi nim say girl ni Brazil am just say shut up man because one no dey ni market. What you say? Because no oh Jesus say kono no dey no for your dan kono no dey na mansion. Times 3. Yeah, ntino for next one kasa. Kofi nim so adne kwatena normal place ya. No phone be go be gina faako. So do you want Kofi Adoma di girl ko she swimming pool ase. Ko she swimming pool say be na se nsuo ni fa de no. Na se ho ya tora na nka yie pie. Na nka Kofi Adoma fa feelings. Wo hu Kofi adwene. Abusu enye ne nko a. Girl di adi wura nsuo num e wo swimming pool na se ho Kofi say do you know what my viewers want? So be sole. Kofi boa viewer bie ni wo kan say ohia no focus yes ah. What do you say? And a Kofi my girl page and hokakra. And a bush again bar can say eye level. And a besha no for pa my goodness. As a soldiers for Iraq.
But this stage mama had na man for and say Kofi na so the adning in Eurensumo. Okay. So finally you see the size and hey obey your size you're saying. Because size we no masha mean but say you know, a be woman. The what's run on quiet, you'll be there as a chamber hall.
Goodness Jesus! Abusia, easy. And then only a can't want some kakra any jar and man could die because there's no war in that thing. Goodness gracious. It seems to send a pardon.
Bra from Kakana may shiny wait, you know, say, Mamma, oh, hey. A mudrupa no may try say me page and name and I'm wondering, okay, me dem saba come me family say me no say make me a page. It's too heavy. It's too heavy. What's na come a your double fare.
Now busanka no nyina asi no na kan wie nim say oh Kofi say dia san Kofi awie because Wetimia started from the downgrade above behu the biggest breast in Ghana. What more is there? What do you say? Oh, Kofi Adoma you can say what more is there now no see do you know something? Hold my beer and a Kofi didn't beer no more say fa. Now no ya no mu ya Ghana Music Awards no rakra. Minim the video ba. Ghana Music Awards UK, nya US ade no UK nominees announcement. Kofi why a video on live event everything you share nice beautiful whatever. Kofi we ade na instead of saying Kobe interview a manfwa abusia event in the form home Kofi there be I don't need that in my life. Near me here nipa as me interview no eyo bi a oba wa lady no so adwin fi pa kese da ni trim abusia lady na mo Brazil. And then a third nation is like, yes, suit I say, and again, a shaping as a catano phone so with that blaze and say, also at the end, you say, a bay mini. No, Kofi again, Kasai. Yen Chiro Kakra, no video who are some Eban,
what did you do? What catch your be attention? Oh, no, Ben now. What did you do? Just a baby of a no beer.
I didn't do anything. I don't know. Made him sacrifice it.
No, but we named the uncle for sure.
Then am I?
Are you Bobra?
I mean Bobra. Me okay.
I didn't buy our against our mother.
Me Phyllis and my Bobra shoe. Yeah.
Who think I hear? And because so far I'll be out when be our Bobra, but Uncle out the other no bra. And what pictures are.
Oh, have me only pictures, my brain.
But so beyond so with it.
Oh, there be beyond me so.
Kofi obi so mun fan konkoye den. I handle. Kofi I handle. And I watch. Obi so mse say. Observe the line of question of Kofi Adoma yim again. Say no Kofi Gina on dimina in the heart and the soul. Crack as a Kofi no for no baby so. But Nkamanipa bakope. I don't think say we can live on Nkamanipa bakope. And children to us was a Kofi, we want to see the breast. Kofi baby no for no one. Kofi Adoma, why? Nyama Merchant says here and say, Kofi, if you know you are putting yourself in this predicament here, call me. Oh, hey, me have been here before. I say we ordinary pa. I wish I were ordinary. Kofi Adoma me say me dakura minti na. Video ni see, wo dey to aso.
So we want to find out the amount we are going say more bra.
And I say she wo Ghana nti nya afi na me she we na me san be bobra. What I say? And yes, I know for no so hangy what I say.
But why an alteration and answer because stand the horns of
many alteration.
Natural. Say okay, I'm from Afana when you are.
Usro. And show mammy, I'm having true.
So, and you free so cry.
Debbie. Say, I
don't know, say, Obey James, so bet me a gem.
Say, my James.
Obana Betchin, you see, yes,
Mamunsho.
Now, what him should video ni do baby to Musa, get no crane, but no coragina where shall and it's like, or she could fear the many, but nah, get a guy no small boy or Shanny mammy right boo. Boo no one, and I couldn't dinner wash it. Shanny mammy was, now mammy we now, what black a crana. What you say? Because this is kind of indecent. Dressing kakra. What I say? But again, no sweetie muzo be freaky kakra. E no biti sana pike ni kapito mo peno. Yeah. Omo shade nwa brabom. E na Kofi Gina wo no pisa question. Na me ne te makom atwa akire kura ne se atade na san hye ge ne kura na. Wo hwe akire kura na abusua. Che se akire ne kura san ye see through. Nti witimi se the girl no nam ho ne kura ne de. Hey, now we no minister announcement imponi. Na the actual was event na ka lady we ikobia. Ha! Boys are more shamons some cry. Munfa use some cry my jinkwa. The baby or kuna during a dear. Edding, yes, so I sha, Mr. I have when you shall left kakra. When I Ghana nishe, because near cause why am I moon and wedding. Kofi Adoma and the no for. Yeah, this is like what? Part 4 was saying. Yeah, Kofi Adoma always finds ways, new ways to amuse us. That is it for today's video. Video was brought to you by
Ebusiafo uwa brochi memo na wo pese obeto bebe free Ghana brewa Abi Express uwa brochi memo na wo pese obeto niama ma ebusiafo e Ghana mawa Abi Express uwa Ghana na wo to niama na wo pese ye deliver bro wo fia eye Abi Express e na wo ye Ghana ni na wo ton ade nso a Abi Express ene wo platform Abi ni ye ABBI na kai so say anytime bia ubeto adie free Abi Express no will support businesses e wo Ghana.
AbiExpress.com.
Yapon subscribe na kwa magara daily ne magara hebro yat na ebusu akọ new videos ya drop wo ho. Yeah, Kofi Adoma. Ho, yo yate, adios.